Hello everyone and welcome back to another Scriptcase tutorial. Fred here from Scriptcase speaking, and today we're going to see a quick overview of the main cloud databases connections of Scriptcase 9.5. Scriptcase loves the cloud. Yes, this is the new phrase for this latest version of Scriptcase. We're talking about Scriptcase 9.5, and this version packs the most powerful cloud features, allowing Scriptcase to generate apps straight from a cloud-based database. So this is what about the tutorial will be. We're going to mention the providers and some interesting information about the connections. So let's say hello to cloud development. Maybe you know the concept software as a service. It means that your final customer will use your software 24/7 from anywhere, just needing a device with internet, right? Well, this is an actual concept. There is another different concept called infrastructure as a service, and I think it's going to be probably the future for most of us. Well, right now, this concept, it is the present here at a Scriptcase. Day by day, large and medium-sized companies are migrating and storing all kinds of services, including software, servers, databases to the cloud. And this is what you should probably will be thinking about. The list of advantages is huge. I can mention, for example, the strong security, the impressive performance, the automatic backups, as well as scalable services and more. The best cloud computing services providers to host your database are now just a click away from Scriptcase. So connect and create your next project easily with Amazon RDS, and the supported databases are MySQL, SQL Server, Postgres, and Oracle. You can also use Microsoft Azure, and the supported databases are MySQL, SQL Server, and Postgres. Then we have here Google Cloud, and the supported databases are MySQL, SQL Server, and Postgres. And finally here we have Oracle Cloud, and the supported database in this case is just Oracle. So here I am logged in at my Amazon AWS console. So I will go here to RDS. Then from here we can check up all our databases. We can even, for example, create one. Let's just click here at databases. And here we have, in this case, MySQL. I will use this one, but as you can see, I can also create SQL Server, Oracle, and Postgres. So I go ahead with this one. I can see here some information. And from here I can see some interesting information, for example, the endpoint that will be really useful at Scriptcase, the port. And you also should know the username and password. So let's go here to Scriptcase. Let's log in here. So let's create a blank project in this case. And here we'll see the new connections. So we have here Microsoft Azure. Then we have Amazon RDS, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. In this case, we're going for Amazon. Alright, I will go for MySQL here, but remember that you can also follow the same steps for the rest of the databases. We can list here the different databases. You can also click at the security tab, use SL security. So let's go ahead here. The connection is alright, so let's go ahead. So right now I'm ready to create my first application using my cloud. Let's select the language here, the theme, it's okay, this one. Now let's create just a sample application. I'll go for ahead for a form. This one right here. Let's select the table. So here we have our standard Scriptcase form. Another interesting thing that Scriptcase offers you is the database builder. So you can go here to database and you can see if your connection is alright. So here you have my SQL connection, and then we can go to database builder, select the connection that we want to work with. We can create from here databases, tables, records, and all these changes will be saved and stored on your Amazon or your cloud database provider. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I see you the next time.